Today we are going to be making heated rice packs. These are a great way to relieve stress and sore muscles. I visited local fabric store High Fashion Fabrics to pick out the material for the pack. You will need a half yard of fabric, white rice, a large bowl, measuring cup, scissors, and some lavender oil. You will also need an iron and some heavy-duty hemming tape. Add 5 cups of rice to your bowl, drop in your lavender, and mix well. Cut your fabric to desired size and make sure all sides are even with each other. Use an ironing board or place a towel down to protect your surface. Now it's time to use your hemming tape. Set your iron to the wool mode. Make your edge seams by measuring the length of the side and cutting the needed tape. Make sure your fabric is inside out at this point. Iron per the instructions on the tape. Do the same for the opposite side, leaving the top open to add your rice. Make sure the tape reaches all the way into the corners to prevent rice from spilling out once you are done. Check all the seams to make sure you have a secure hold and then turn the fabric right side out again. Smooth the fabric down so it sits evenly, as we will now be creating the channels to hold the rice. Measure out and cut 5 sections of tape to create pockets for the rice so that it stays distributed evenly throughout the pack. It's okay if it overlaps on the bottom a bit, as we want to make sure there are no holes. Smooth out the fabric again and iron on the sections of tape. Check all the taped sections and make sure all the adhesive has set properly. Use tape and paper to make funnel and place 1 cup of rice into each channel. To close your pack, measure out tape across the top and fold over once and iron. Repeat this process again to make sure you have a secured close and that the rice will not be leaking out. Check the seams and turn pack over for one last ironing on the back. Microwave the pack for 30 seconds at a time until desired temperature is reached, and enjoy.